Today's video, we're diving into something super important for building strong, meaningful relationships. We're talking about the 10 phrases that can truly make a woman fall for you. These aren't just any phrases, these are words that come straight from the heart, and trust me, they work wonders. Now, before we get started, let's make one thing clear. These phrases are not magic tricks that'll instantly make anyone fall in love with you. But if you use them genuinely and with respect, they can definitely help you create a deeper, stronger connection. So let's jump right in. Number 1, you make me want to be a better person. Alright, let's kick things off with our first phrase. If you want to win her heart, let her know that she inspires you. You could say, "You make me want to be a better person." This shows her that she brings out the best in you and that her influence is powerful. When a woman hears this, she knows that her presence in your life makes a difference, and it shows that you value personal growth, which is a really attractive quality. But remember, it's not about saying this to flatter her, it's about being real and telling her how much she inspires you to improve. Number 2, I believe in you. Number 2 on our list is I believe in you. This one's all about showing trust and support. Whether she's working on a big project, trying to achieve a personal goal, or even just going through a tough time, these words can be a huge confidence booster. When you say, "I believe in you," it tells her that you trust her abilities and that you're confident in her success. It's a simple way to show that you're in her corner, no matter what. Number 3, how can I make your day better? Next up, let's talk about empathy. A great phrase to use is, "How can I make your day better?" This shows that you're thinking about her well-being and that you care enough to want to make her day easier or more enjoyable. It's not just about doing something big, even the small things, like grabbing her favorite snack or helping with a task, show you're paying attention to her needs. Women appreciate someone who is willing to go that extra mile to make them feel valued. 4, I love spending time with you. Phrase number 4 is simple, but so powerful. I love spending time with you. It's not about grand gestures, it's about enjoying the moment with her. This shows that you enjoy her company for who she is, not just for what she does for you. By saying this, you're telling her that you value the time you spend together, and that's one of the most meaningful compliments you can give. It's all about appreciating the little moments. 5, you inspire me. Number 5 is you inspire me. Women love to feel that they're having a positive impact on someone, and by saying this, you're acknowledging her strength, passion, and drive. It's important to mention specific things she does that inspire you, whether it's her ambition, kindness, or the way she handles difficult situations. It shows that you're paying attention to the qualities that make her unique. 6, I appreciate you. Number 6 is one that might seem small, but it's powerful. I appreciate you. This phrase shows gratitude for all the things she does, whether big or small. Maybe she helped you with something, made you laugh, or even just listened when you needed to vent. Everyone loves to feel appreciated, and saying this shows that you don't take her for granted. It helps build respect in the relationship, which is the foundation for anything long-lasting. 7, you're beautiful inside and out. Next, let's talk about beauty, but not just the surface level. When you say, "You're beautiful inside and out," it shows that you admire her as a whole person. This goes beyond just physical appearance. It's a compliment that touches on her character, her kindness, her sense of humor, everything that makes her, her. Women love to be told they're beautiful, but when you mention her inner beauty as well, it's a game changer. 8, I'm so glad we met. Number 8 is simple yet heartfelt. I'm so glad we met. Saying this tells her that you're grateful for the connection you have and that she's made a positive impact on your life. It's a great phrase to use when you're having a fun moment together or just reflecting on the relationship. It shows that you're happy to have her in your life, and it helps deepen the bond between you. 9. I can't imagine my life without you. Here's a phrase that really shows you're serious. I can't imagine my life without you. This one is a little more emotional and should be used when the moment feels right. It shows that you see her as an important part of your life, and it helps build a sense of commitment. Just make sure it's genuine. You want her to know you're not just saying it to impress her. 10. You're my best friend. Finally, the most important phrase, you're my best friend. This shows that you value the friendship you have with her. Relationships that have a solid foundation of friendship are often the strongest. When you say she's your best friend, you're telling her that she means more to you than just a romantic partner. It means you trust her, share things with her, and enjoy spending time together in a way that goes beyond romance. So, there you have it, 10 phrases that will make any woman fall for you. Remember, the key to using these phrases is sincerity. Don't just say these things because you think they'll work, say them because you truly mean them. Building a strong connection is about being genuine, kind, and respectful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more relationship tips. Let me know in the comments, which of these phrases do you think is the most important? I'd love to hear your thoughts.